I just had to give you an update. You already know that I got my first check 3 weeks ago, but I just hit another milestone. Get this. For the first time, my paid to send email checks are bigger than my paycheck. I can't believe it.
I send mails, I get paid. I can't believe this life is real.
I just got back from vacation and I think it was actually free thanks to paid to send email. I sent a few emails before I left and didn't even think about turning on my computer while I was in the Bahamas. Long story short, when I got back, I had more money in my bank account than when I left. Guys, this works even better than I ever dreamed it would. Thanks so much. I'm ready for more.
Before I found paid to send email, I was struggling to find a job that paid enough for me to afford my bills. I actually had to move back to my mom's, and it was just embarrassing to have to live back at home. Now, thanks to you, I just moved into a brand new apartment. Next week, I'm going to buy my first new car in cash. Plus, I know I never have to work for anyone else ever again. Thank you for this.
Everyone has an email address. Everyone. It's so simple when you think about it. I mean, you just send a few emails and then check how much money you made later on in the day. I'm already getting 3 checks every week.
Please click the link in the description to see full review and discount of paid to send email program.